Hello, in this video we will talk about how to use the time map module. This module can be used to create a heat map that shows the time taken to reach any part of the selected area from a given start point. This can help you, for example, to compare the accessibility of different areas in the city from a specific point. For example, if you want to know from which areas in the city it takes more than 15 minutes to reach the hospital. Before launching this module, you need to draw a selection area. A selection is the selected part of the available base map area. All the analysis will take place inside this selected area. To define it, we are first going to go to Settings, click on Set Selection. Use this tool to click and make your polygon. Click on the first point to complete the polygon. If you are not happy with how a point was set, you can simply delete it. Otherwise, you can also use this tool to reshape the polygon and use it to define your selection area the way you want. After you are happy with your selection, click on Save. Keep in mind that the size of the selected area will have an impact on the time needed for the calculation. Now the extent of the area for the analysis with the time map module is set. If you want to change the selection area after saving it, you can click the delete button on the left, run the module from the start and then redraw an area. Next, we are going to set a resolution. A resolution determines the sharpness of the map output. For example, a value of 10 meters will result in a sharper map than a value of 50 meters. The higher the value in meters, the lower the quality of the analysis result PDF. If you choose a very large area such as 200 square kilometers, the user may want to choose a larger value of 50 meters. Depending on how big or small the selected area is, the resolution should be adjusted. To set the resolution, we go to Settings, Set Resolution. For our analysis, 5 to 10 meters is good enough. So I put in 10 meters and click on Submit. Now our resolution is set. Next, we select Calculate Time Map from the module list and click on Run. Next, you place a starting point inside the selected area on a point on the road network. I am going to choose this part. Click Save. You can also choose a via point. A via point means that a location has to be reached first. For example, if there's a fire and the start point is the fire station, a via point could be a water tank, where the fire truck must go to first before going to the affected area. I'm going to not choose one here and click on Cancel. Next, you'll be asked to define an affected area. You can define additional parameters for this analysis with reduced speed. For example, an affected area should be ideally within your selection area where speed limits are reduced. For example, by a flood event, a volcanic lahar flow, a street parade, etc. You can also specify the percentage of speed reduction. The lower the value you put in, the lower the speed in the affected area. For example, if you choose 5% traffic, then it will be 5% of the average speed. I am going to draw an area within this selection area and click on Save. There is a default value. There is an example of a value that you can put in here, which is 40%. However, I am going to choose 20% and click on Submit. By the way, the speeds used in this module are average speeds for the different types of roads. In case you want to use different values, you can change them following the instructions in the communications box. If you want to use the time map module as a tool to find out about accessibility by bike or on foot, you can put in values of walking and cycling speeds accordingly, either by choosing the default values we have provided or your own. Please note that this analysis is not including walking and cycling infrastructure such as footpaths and cycling tracks, but is only calculating the speed on the existing road network. Now your results have been processed. You can click on the results and scroll to the PDF with the latest date to view your result. Alternatively, you can also switch on the layers here, current selection and the road level time map, to show the result on the map itself. The workflow of the Calculate Time Map module is also explained in the user manual under section 6.1.